In this video, we're going to start the work drawing for the axle peg. So first thing you're going to do is click on base, and then also make sure if you haven't been working on your part recently, it won't show up here, but I have mine currently open, so it automatically pops up with the axle peg. If it doesn't show up, you're just going to make sure you click on the folder with magnifying glass and then find your object. So right now this is a little bit small, so I'm going to change the scale. Let's see, 2:1 still seems a little small. Yep, that seems a little bit better. So 3:1. Okay. Alright, I'm not sure why it just changed sizes, but okay, we'll just go with it. Because we only really need 2 views for this, for where we're going to add dimensions, and then another one for our isometric view. So on here, we need to make sure that this is shaded. So if you double click on it and then click on the blue cylinder for shaded. Now I'm going to show you how to use a new tool for annotating. You can click on chamfer, click on the, clicked on the wrong edge. Let's just zoom in. So if you click on the slanted edge and then the flat edge, and click off to the side, it brings in your chamfer. So you're only going to do this for chamfers that are 45-degree angles. If they're anything else than 45 degrees, you're going to dimension them in a different way. Also make sure it doesn't go into your title block, so if you need to, you can move it over. Alright, our next thing is, let's do our leader text for this object right here. So this is the feature that we had before. That was our hex socket. So this part right here, you would type into this location. So I'm just going to type a little bit, but that's where you're going to type for the rest of it. And then you're going to use leader text for your thread. So click over there, click here, and continue. Going back to our work drawing, so this is what you would type in for the thread. Alright, so remember, you're going to type the actual stuff. I'm just typing the word real quick. Okay. And don't forget about using your center lines. So for this one, I'm going to use just your normal center line. So for this one, you can just click on 2 points. Okay. So clicking right at the center, and then I'm going to right-click create, and that ends that. If you have more than one center line that you're doing at the same time with the center line tool, make sure you right-click and create after each center line you place, or else it kind of like loops around and do a circle. And then cancel to back out of the tool. And we're going to go to center mark and place our center mark. Because everything's lined up nicely, all at the center point, you just need to click on the outside most circle for your center mark. Okay, so that's just the center mark tool. Alright, so there's other dimensions that you need to add in, but those are the only real new tools that you haven't seen before. Alright, so hopefully you're able to get the rest of this done on your own.